Welcome to Shadow Tutor. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the steps to install Windows 11 on your PC. Whether you're upgrading from Windows 10 or doing a clean install, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. 1 GHz or faster processor with at least 2 cores. 4 GB RAM. 64 GB storage. UEFI firmware with secure boot TPM version 2.0. DirectX 12 compatible graphics with WDDM 2.0 driver. 9-inch display with 720p resolution. Internet connection for updates and activation. Check if your PC meets these requirements. You can use the PC health check tool provided by Microsoft to verify this. Step 1. Download the Windows 11 installation media. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant or create a bootable USB using the Media Creation tool. Once the download is complete, open the file to start the installation process. Step 2. Backup your data. Before you proceed with the installation, it's crucial to back up all your important files to an external drive or a cloud storage service. Step 3. Start the installation process. Open the Windows 11 Installation Assistant you downloaded earlier. Follow the on-screen instructions. The assistant will check for compatibility and download the necessary files. After the download, the installation process will begin. This can take some time, so be patient. Step 4. Set up Windows 11. Once the installation is complete, your PC will restart. You'll be greeted by the Windows 11 setup screen. Follow the prompts to set up your preferences, create or sign in with a Microsoft account, and customize your settings. Step 5. Final checks and updates. After setting up Windows 11, make sure to check for any updates. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install any available updates to ensure your system is up to date and secure. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 11 on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.